question. 6-year-old boy diagnosed with autism. The child's actually able to play with a lot of different playground activities. However, there's times when the child just spaces out, usually when they're engaging in some sort of sensory or tactile behavior like sifting sand or shaking long tree branches. So when I see that happen, when the parent sees that happen, they'll force the child to use sand toys to make stars or tortoise shapes. And then when that happens, the child keeps trying to run away. And sometimes the parents will let him go and just let him space out for up to 2 minutes. So is it okay to keep forcing him to sit and play when he spaces out? Even when he tries to leave and then goes and cries somewhere else. Right? So for myself, I actually don't know how long does your child space out for, because that materially makes a difference, So if for the child, they are playing appropriately, and then they space out for a minute, and then they get back into it, and they play, and then they space out a little bit more. To me, okay, that's no big deal because they get back into it, However, if the kid is like, oh, I space out and then I don't get back into it for a very, very long time, okay, then you should intervene. Once you decide to intervene, you can't let them escape, because then what do they learn? Oh, anytime that mom or dad want them to stop me from doing something, I just have to cry and they'll let me go. What you want to be able to do is, once you intervene, you get your child to comply to you. And what you want to do is they have to have a reduction in their inappropriate behaviors before you'll let them go.